Welcome to One Canal Road, an iconic new landmark in Lahore. The first ever project with interior finishings of walls and flooring by VERSACE ceramics, and designed by Miami's leading architect, Kobi Karp. This unique collaboration offers unparalleled style and comfort, setting a new standard of luxury living in Lahore. We are excited to share that One Canal Road is 50% complete. During the month of March, we have covered a total of 145,448 square feet in construction, pouring 7,843 cubic meters of concrete and consuming 1,076 tons of steel. Progress continues to be made on the apartment partitions, with levels 3 and 4 now fully completed. On level 5, we've reached the halfway point, with 50% of the apartment partitions already in place. During the last month alone, we have constructed 14,378 square feet of area and installed formwork spanning across a total area of 266,190 square feet. Our committed construction team is working diligently to meet the project's deadline, and we are excited to see it come to life. Stay tuned for more updates on our progress.
One Canal Road, Lahore. Living redefined. A project by DR Homes.